Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for my new subscribers, you're so welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated cartoon video using Canva. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Enjoy. So right now I just opened Canva and I typed on the YouTube video, so it came up with these templates, and I'll be using the blank template. So once you click on the create a blank YouTube video, this page is gonna open up. And once it open up, and as I always tell you, I love the element section of Canva because it has so much to offer. So on the element section, I'm gonna write like a beautiful forest. You can write whatever term you want depending on the background you want to use for your videos. So as you can see, after writing that, I hit enter and it gave me different options. So what I'm gonna do is just move around and select what image I would like to work with, as you see me doing right now. And one thing I love about the element section, again, as I said, it has so many options, different colors. You can use like the graphics, the photos, you can use the video part of it if you want to. So there's just so much to do, and that's what I like. So after selecting my background, I'll go ahead on the element and select like animals I want to be like in the video. So right now I just type rabbit and I pick like an animated version of it. On the search button, if you look on the right side of it, you're gonna see like a drop down. When you click on it, it allows you to have like either a static option or an animated option. So after selecting the animated section, it's gonna give you animated images, which is how I got the rabbit moving as you see in the video. So next I'm gonna be searching for a bird. As you see me do, I'm just looking for a bird moving, and that's what I'll basically be doing throughout this video. I'll be making use of the element in order to search for the features I'll be using. And in order to give the impression that your images are moving, you're gonna make sure you click on first you have to select your image, click on animate as you see me do, go on the B part of it. As you see on the diagram, they tell you what to do. So you maintain the image you selected and then just move it around to the direction you want. And after you're done, as you see, you're gonna see your image just move. See, if you want, you leave it in the original version, smooth or steady. I always leave it the original version of it. So as you see, the birds are moving towards the direction to which I want it to. And this is what I'm going to be doing with the other images and the other things I'll be including in this video. I'm just going to be using the animation to make it animated, using the element section to pick out my images and my characters, and we'll see. Just keep watching. So right now the video is complete. What I will do right now is just hit download in order to download the video to my computer and use it later. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment section. This is the final look. I hope you loved it. See you in my next one. Bye bye.